Can you imagine you with this camera?
Oh, yeah.
Exactly. What you mean?
Is that camera even gonna hold?
I believe.
Camera probably weighs 5 times heavier than that.
Where are you going, Billy?
By the time you put that on there, it's gonna snap.
Nah.
Yeah.
You know what, don't even say that because you're planning on buying the same gimbal.
Yeah, but my camera's not as big as that.
That's not the point.
It is the point. You better make sure that thing holds.
I think it'll hold.
I definitely need to order one of that. That'll be a game changer. Especially for doing the side views of a car like this. Use my stimulus check to buy that, right? Where your stimulus check went? Oh, they went to something important. Ooh, look at my hair. Need to get a haircut. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we are actually going to be working on the EM2 again. So when I originally sold the car to my friend and we road tested, everything sounded perfectly fine until we were hearing rattle noise again. So technically it wasn't a throttle bearing. So I did a little bit of research forums just to see what people might have come across with, and they said that the common problems for these generations are the inner shaft bearing. Those are inside the transmission, and we're gonna have to drop the transmission, split the case, and we're also gonna be swapping up the seals, axle seals and shaft seals. A little bit misdiagnosis, sound the same as what the throttle bearing sound like, and you know, I thought that would be the one. Made a mistake. Not worried about dropping this transmission again. It's gonna be quick anyways. Christian over here as my helper, but he's too busy playing with his camera right now.
It's a necessity.
So focused.
Very focused.
Very focused. I know.
Probably more work than working on the car.
So I got a small camera and you got a big camera. You gotta work harder with it.
I gotta compensate for my
Yeah.
actual size.
I guess that's how you live with it, right?
I gotta live with it.
So as you can see right now, you get the fan, it's cooling down the engine because it's super hot right now. I don't like working on the engine when it's hot. Basically, same thing what we gotta do is that we're gonna have to disconnect the battery, the intake, a couple of connectors on top here, shifter cable, and then we're gonna have to lift the car up again, take the 2 tires off, axles, drain the transmission, drop the subframe, and then we're gonna be able to remove the transmission. So these are the parts that we're gonna be running, original from Honda, because you know Honda is life. Honda for the win. Shout out to Vernie if you're watching this. Thanks for helping me out on getting these parts. So here is shaft bearing right here. These are the seals. I believe these 2 are the axle seals. They said they're a little bit similar sizes, but we're about to find out which side that goes to what. And then we got also the Honda bond. Let's go ahead and get some work done, get this transmission out, and then see how everything goes. Basically got everything on the top out. You want to do the honor and jack the car up. If I go down on my knees, I won't able to come back up.
Bro, I'm pretty good at being on my knees.
What?
Go to church every Sunday.
That's not what you meant.
That's exactly what I meant.
Line her up.
Oh yeah, brother.
So we pretty much got everything out now. All we gotta do is drop the subframe. I got the one side with the jack, and then Christian's gonna manhandle the other side.
We'll see.
I think you have to take out that watch before you damage it. It's a little pricey there.
It's okay, I'll just have an excuse to buy another one.
Maybe an Apple Watch.
No.
No?
Samsung, bro.
Never mind then. He doesn't like Apple.
This is my good angle. No, he's gonna come back.
We are finally got the transmission out. Christian, how do you feel?
That was fun.
Transmission looks really disgusting. I really want to clean the transmission. Get it all nice and clean before we separate. Tear it down. So, think we got a job for Brad? Yeah? Brad! Want to clean this transmission? No? Well, I guess we'll do it then.
Chunky beef.
I think it should be good enough.
Yeah.
We'll hit it with brake clean after. It will come off.
Might as well shower already.
Yeah, you might as well. I think it's called a beach day. Transmission is all nice and clean up. Way better than how it was before. Yes, sir. Now we are ready to get this all separated. We gotta take out a couple of stuff. Reverse sensor, the shifter, these two bowls. They do have springs and some balls in there. Gotta get that taken out. You like balls? So we just gotta take all this out. Try my best to explain to you. I'm not really good at explaining things. Let's go ahead and get this thing all apart. Okay, see if you guys can hear this. I don't know if you guys can hear, but little rattling in the trans. So I need a 12 socket. This is what happens when all your tools is all over the place. It's unorganized. All my 12.
He's got all his tools over here. We got more tools over here.
Tools is all over. It's what happens when you have to work on the ground and everything else is everywhere. Like if I had a cart, toolbox, and a lift, no big deal. But working on the ground, this is what happens.
Make it work.
So try to be organized. So 12mm bolts with a washer. These have springs, so make sure, try to keep it together. Weird, this one doesn't have a washer. Huh, that's scary.
So the marble balls, sitting pretty.
One, and there's two. I want to keep this somewhere it doesn't go anywhere. 27mm socket for the reverse sensor. Also comes with a washer. So there's a C-clip right in there that you need to release. But before we do that, we need to take out all the 12mm bolts. So that's what we're gonna do. Put the C-clip in there with the special tool, lift it up, and it should take half the case out. See if this will help a little bit. Spread these. You can feel it, can't hear it because Brad's pressure washing the truck in the background, but she's a little bit crispy. Pretty damn bad. Yeah. Ooh. So here is the new bearing from Honda, nice and smooth. So we're gonna throw this on. We're also gonna be replacing the other seals as well too. We're gonna go ahead and clean up the case with some brake clean, make sure everything is good to go, checked in, and then we should be putting everything back in.
Parts in his microphone and then puts it right back. Puts it right back next to his mouth.
Takes his own butt. That is some butt, not action.
Man, I'm gonna have fun doing editing after this video.
Oh my god, we're being recorded?
No,
It's off.
Yeah.
Is it off? Oh, just say it, dude. Bro, don't say it. They're like, wow, these guys are the weirdest
I should have
bunch.
recorded. Frank.
That's recording. I mean,
I turned
it on. I mean, you have 64
Really?
gigs now. Hey, remember that time in band class you shoved the flute down your throat?
What the hell? Bro, you banged the oboe.
What's an oboe?
Where is this coming from?
You said band
we went
class.
to band class and you shoved the flute down his throat.
What the hell are you talking
I
about?
don't know what's going on.
Bro, after you watch this, bro, you better get that Bible all in, man. I got 3 Bible names, Brian. No, it's Jacob, Genesis, Gabriel. How's that, huh?
What's his shoes then is making that noise?
I told you!
Yeah, but why'd
It's the
you
tremors,
laugh
bro.
though?
Lamborghinis.
Bro, you know that, bro. I'm so poor, look, I can't even afford real steel tools. Bro,
Brad doesn't want to be in the camera, so he's not exposing himself.
Nope.
The voices
They're not
behind the
ready
scene
yet,
is
bro.
Be Exposed Media.
Yeah. That's right.
Hit him up on IG.
When I finish the gym.
When I finish the gym.
Bro, it's a fucking toy.
Bro, I'm tired, bro. All I saw was something going. What the hell is that? I thought
It's a fucking dinosaur. Motherfucker scared of dinosaurs.
bro, I had only 2.5 hours sleep. I have a lamb. No, his name's Turbo, bro. He's hyper as hell.
Yeah, I seen your story. Oh, hyper at night, huh?
Right.
Turbo.
He's 2 weeks old.
Turbo.
Fucking pricks.
The master need your help. Shout out to Tyson for helping me because he's the only guy I know that does great transmission work. Because I'm literally stuck.
They're good in here.
No, it didn't show. I don't know what this is for. Because all this doesn't even reach there.
Bruh.
So it's about 6:29. I think we got here at 8 o'clock.
Something like that.
Yeah, we're still here at the shop. Finally, we got the transmission all put it back together. Shout out to Tyson for helping us out for the few hours. Wasn't for you, we would be stuck. But
Major props.
yeah,
Transmission gone.
yeah, thank you again, Brad. Better get that camera out now.
We would have been stuck like the 5th gear.
Yeah, or no reverse.
Who needs that, dude?
Yeah, when you can just park up at the hill and just roll back down.
Panic fitness, and you can use your legs for reverse.
So I'm gonna go ahead and just button up a couple stuff on the transmission and get the whole shop at least cleaned up before tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shoot guys, I'll see you guys at the next one.